Bad people, we're going. In this update, we have Bounty Killer and Foota Hype. Foota Hype went straight to IG Live and him talk a bug of things. Plus we also have the genocide boss, Masicka. Yeah man, Masicka made a post and I'm going to read what it say. I'm going to see what really are going. Because I don't know say Masicka this up MC Nuffy and in clear the ear with the Iman Vibes cartel. So big up on yourself, and to those who don't subscribe, big up on yourself. See you more.
Me I wait for hear the day when one of us say me tell life on no. So what you do? Try give the public the impression like me say something where cause problem or I know me this or no. Uno this me. I know me ungrateful to Uno. Uno ungrateful to me. So please, Bounty Killer, when you speak, don't show no shade. And I will repeat, I appreciate you speaking the undeniable things say me response for you and the music part with Mavado. But I will not accept you trying to violate me at the same time. Cause I no beg for my respect, you know. I no beg for my props, you know. You see me I say? I no ask you if you're sorry for me and say it, which you don't have to. But you have to. Mavado can dodge it all he want. He will have to. As long as God is real. As long as the Almighty is real. You understand? I mean, not have to lock my mouth. You don't have to lock your mouth on the truth. Bounty Killer get a lot of props for busting Mavado. Bounty Killer can't get props for busting Mavado without Foota Hype. Because musically, I mean, response to Bounty and Mavado, the real connection. Bounty also said something yesterday that I have to correct him. He said that the first song, Mavado voice for Masicka is Dreaming. That is not true. Dreaming come way after. The first song, Mavado, Drew, if you had a listener said him give me credit and then I shit on the credit when him give me. You're not giving me food and poison it and I still eat it. I'm going to check you for that. I no beg for my respect. I no beg for Killer say, and me do that, and me do it for real. So I no beg for it. Me no beg for it. Me have to get it. The respect where you see Killer show, and the thing where matter, me have to get it. And me I stand strong on that and I beg. Even if are the last thing them do before them eye close, for them left this earth, yeah, them have to do it. Cause me do it for real. Now, Mavado don't know Masicka before me. And me make him know Masicka. And me make Masicka know him. And me force Masicka for voice him. The first song was Dreaming. Not Dreaming, my bad. Anger Management. Real Mackay was the first song. Not Dreaming. Dreaming come after. You understand what I say? And me write the chorus for Dreaming too. So me don't want a piece of this too. And my legacy, you know, so me have to talk, you know. And me write the chorus for Dreaming. Me and Mavado record Dreaming as a collaboration up Mount Ogle, near Oberlin High School. Lesson. One artist named Picnic all the way up there. Mavado got voice. Jay, we work around a downtown where you used to work for Gaza. And him record the song. Mavado and Foota Hype in collaboration. And me sing the chorus. I was dreaming that I'm floating on $1,000. And me write it. The whole chorus are mine. So I'm not sorry for thing. Not say, oh, Foota used to go around and say Mavado. And me never just say go around. Me make the music. Me play the music. Me travel the whole 14 parish of Jamaica and bust Mavado. Bounty Killer and you bust Mavado. And you and Foota Hype bust Mavado. And you respond to him and the stage show part them. And you did make Predator and the whole of them vice for Gary G. And me response for Movado. And me make Movado rich. Now water down my glory. Give me glory the whole of it. Me know why you come style me thing. And I try water down me thing. And I come talk about that's why you supposed to act like is it. Me not act and me do it. And me do it. Now played me. And me not be disrespectful. Me tired of it now. I don't want to paint a narrative like me bad mind or me ungrateful. Me not do nothing. I only do me things and you know say all now. Me not talk. The thing them want to do me. Him style me. What I mean by, oh, I'm mouth and your word from your mouth defile everybody. You don't know when people are this, you know. I want to know more the whole of my glory. Me not want to water down my glory. Me not lock up no comments. Cause me not tell no lie, yes, so me not water down my thing. Bounty killer love when me and him war or what. When you talk about me, you not talk the thing, bro. You come talk about him mouth and your mouth defile you. But who you talk? I beg no ratings, you know. Me do the work, you know. Bounty killer could not have this props on him shoulder for saying bust Movado without me. So don't act like me one common boy where they just a walk and a run my mouth. Me do the work. Okay, next thing again we ain't know Bounty Killer. I'm not gonna blame you for this, cause you don't know. The song where you say Movado right for you. Gun no stick, any shot a stick in a boy. Movado write it for himself. Cause me have to educate you, cause you don't know this part. This part are between me and Vado before it reach you. Movado father at the bridge of Cassava piece with the song like half done. And say more voice again. Zine. Say more voice and next song for the rhythm. Me and him, they are the bridge and end up finish up the song. He want voice the song, Mr. Singer, you know, make sense, you voice that song, you know. That song is too violent. That song is too rough. Them already a beat you for real, because you can't sing this. Me say, it better you make Killer sing that song. Because when Killer sing it, the radio man them will edit it and play it. Because a Bounty Killer sing it. And me convince Movado to bring the song come gear. If your memory serve you good, because remember you're a big man. You have only for thing for your mind. You must remember clearly. Zine, when we come with this song and me and singer forward, we're not Oakland. Remember good. And me convince my brother to give you the song. So my response for that song there too. Me a co-writer for that song that too. Me not run down publishing and me, if me the bad mind and greedy, me not run down publishing and say, singer, remember me and you build a song there, me give you a couple lines and me give you this and me give you that. Me no business about that. I know that me a deal with a friend. We just do what we do.
So as them always say, there's always two sides to a story. And you don't know, say Foota Hype is basically a pioneer in this whole dancehall industry thing. You see me? So man, Foota Hype tell for him side of the story. Viewers and subscribers, when you think about that, just leave a take down below in the comments. So as you know already, Masicka went live for clear the ear. Yeah man, Masicka diss up MC Nuffy Brawling on IG live. And he also made this post as you can see on the screen. Masicka music. Some little yes man I try to spread rumor. Go look work waste man. One side forever. So viewers and subscribers, just leave a take down below in the comments. Big up my viewers and big up the subscribers. And for those who don't subscribe as yet, the door is always open. Yeah man, big up on yourself and as always, catch you in another one.